Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be um, a Lego reveal of something that I just received in the mail. These are three different types of Microfighter packs, and I just received them in the mail. Like I said, I won these off of eBay, and some of the sets are already made up, some of the sets are not. So I have to go and sort them out and see which parts. They said they're all 100% complete, so I'm going to make sure. I'm going to break them all down, build them all again, and like I always usually do with when I buy Legos from eBay and stuff like that, I always make sure that every single part is there. They did send me the manuals and everything, so I can actually tell you the years of this microfighters and everything about them as much as I can. Okay, so the first one that I'm showing you is from Battle Pack 75195, and it is some type of flying machine, I guess, if you want to call it that. And it does come with the minifig. This is what this one looks like right here, guys. And this set came out in, if I'm not mistaken, 2018. Yeah, 2018 this came out. And this came with this one, and it came with another one. I'm going to make another video of that one. So this is this one here, and it comes with the spring shooters on the side. It comes with the minifig. So let me show you that how it came to me is like this here. It did come already built, but like I said, I got these extra parts here that I want to know where they are, where they're from. So basically I'm going to break it all down and build it again myself to make sure it's 100% there. And this is the minifig that you get with it, guys. He is the pilot of this machine. Pretty cool guy. Comes with a little headset that's already built into his head piece. His head. He is chest plated, leg plated, back printed, but no back printed on the legs. His arms do move, legs, everything. Like I said, this is a set from 2018. Very cool. And this is what the fighter thing looks like right here. These are the shooters here. This is where he sits in. Like that. But it's really weird that, yeah, he actually stands up on this. Because it doesn't show that he can put his legs there. But you can sit him down right here, guys, just like that. So he goes like that, just like that. And the fighter thing goes like this here. And then has the shooter thing there, right here. And then you got these things here that I gotta look at the book and find out exactly where they go inside the book. Because you got this one here that also is the shooter. You got this piece here, but I need to find out exactly where these go. Because it doesn't actually tell me. I think this goes in the back here, right here, guys. That's what it looks like. Back here, right here, guys. Goes right here like this. That's where that goes. So now where this goes, that I do not know. That is where I have to look at the book and see where this goes. Because like I said, he already built it for me, so I don't know exactly where it goes. So that's where that goes. That goes there, that goes there. Oh, so this goes in the back here. Let's see. Goes in the back over here. Where was that? Oh, this goes right here. That goes there like that, guys. Okay, so now the big piece. Where does that go? So I don't know where that piece goes, because it seems like it only has one shooter, two shooters, and that's in the front. So where does that piece go to? That goes to there, that goes to there. Unless that's a piece that he just threw in and didn't know where it went, and he just threw it in there. Because I do not see that piece anywhere in this manual. But I'm going to break it down anyways just to make sure. But I don't see that piece in here. So I don't know where that piece goes. If it even goes to this set, because it doesn't look like it does. Let me look at the piece. Oh yeah, it does. It's the corner piece right here. It is that piece there. So, well, after I break it down, I guess I'll figure it out. And figure out exactly where it goes. Because I don't see that piece. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it in the book here. Finding that piece, guys. So that piece is not in here. Yeah, that piece is not here. This doesn't go to this set. It goes to a different set. It might go to this other set here that I have. So let me put this in his hand, his gun. And that's how this set goes right here, guys. There's a little hand right there. This is a cool set. I mean, for what it is, for a Microfighter, it's pretty cool. Get the little tailpiece thing right here. It's a pretty good set. I like this. This one's pretty cool. I'll definitely give this 5 out of 5. It's pretty good. I like the set. This side is of course more heavier than this, so that one's pretty cool. So that is this set right here, guys. That is set 75195. Microfighter, came out in 2008. So that one's pretty cool. I like that one. So if you like this review, if you like this video, guys, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. And if you want to support my page, my Cash App and PayPal donation page are linked below in the corner of my homepage on my YouTube channel, guys. I greatly appreciate it if you guys check that out. Thank you very much. Until the next review, guys. Thank you.